To add plants to your file, use the Plant tool located in the Site Planning toolset. First, let's select a plant style you wish to add by clicking the Plant Style drop-down menu. Here you'll have access to the Vectorworks libraries. There are multiple subfolders you can look through. I recommend starting with the species-specific folder. These files are further organized by plant type. Let's start by selecting a deciduous tree to place in the file. You can click on any one of the Vectorworks files named after a genus. There may be multiple species offered. If you find one that you like, double-click to select. If you have not used that style before, it may take a few seconds to download. Next up, we'll want to take a look at the placement mode. The first mode is single plant placement mode. One click will place one plant. Next, let's add a few shrubs. Change the plant style to an evergreen shrub. It's the same steps as before. Click the Plant Style drop-down menu, click on the Shrub Evergreen subfolder, click on the desired genus, and then select a plant style. We'll place these shrubs using the polyvertex placement mode. Each click will place a plant. Quickly double-click on the last plant to end the command. Now let's add a camellia hedge. The poly edge space mode is good for placing hedges. The first click will start the hedge. Then double-click to end the hedge. Hedges can have multiple legs. Each click will represent a corner. Once again, double-click to end it. If you're in the middle of placing plants and you don't like the placement from your previous clicks, you can hit either the backspace or delete keys to go backwards. If you've already double-clicked and placed the plant in the drawing, the vertices can be edited by using the Reshape tool. You can click and drag the blue handles to a new position. This works for all plant styles and placement modes. The final two placement modes are good for placing masses of plants. They are the rectangular array and triangular array modes. Let's select a plant style from the herbaceous subfolder. First, let's look at the rectangular array mode. Each click will represent one corner of the perimeter. Double-click to end or use the keyboard shortcut K to close the shape. Plants placed in rectangular array will be lined up in rows and columns. Plants placed in triangular array will be lined up on the diagonal.